In this video, we'll look at a homework problem where we have to use the normal calculator to find a probability. So in part A, we checked conditions, found the appropriate mean and standard deviation. Then in part B, we want to know the probability of obtaining 66 or more individuals with a characteristic. And in the setup, there were 75 individuals in our sample, so 66 out of 75 is how they're getting the 0.88 for our p-hat value. So in other words, they're saying, what is the probability that your p-hat is greater than 0.88? Notice that 0.88 is greater than our mean of 0.8, but in comparison to our standard deviation of about 4.6%, it's maybe a little less than 2 standard deviations above average. 2 standard deviations would put us closer to about 90%. So let's go ahead and go into StatCrunch, and we want to select the normal calculator. And let's pull this over here. There we go. And the first thing we want to adjust is our mean, then our standard deviation, and then we want to look at our p-hat being greater than or equal to 0.88. Here it doesn't matter if we include the or equal or not on our problem. That could have been a little different. And notice it's still using the symbol x. There's no way to change that, but we are using p-hat instead of just an x, so that part is fine. So once we have our correct mean and standard deviation, we've adjusted our inequality, we're ready to compute. So notice we do have 0.88 above the mean, and then the area above the mean is approximately 0.0416, and that gives us the probability that we're looking for.